Hello all, our topic for today is vitamin. In this video, we are going to discuss briefly about vitamin. So let's start. Vitamin was discovered in 1912. As the father of vitamin is known as C. Funk. The full name of C. Funk is Casimir Funk. Now the question is, what is vitamins? Vitamins are the substance that helps our body to growth, to development, to properly function of our body, to fight off from disease. Our body cannot produce vitamin itself, so we can take it from outside through the various kinds of foods and supplements. The source of vitamins are fruits, vegetables, fish, meat, milk, eggs, and various kinds of supplements. There are 13 essential vitamins that helps our body to work properly, and that vitamins are vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin K. And vitamin B1, B2, B3, B5, B6, B7, B9, B12. These vitamins are together called vitamin B complex. And these vitamins are categorized in two different categories. And the categories are fat-soluble vitamin, water-soluble vitamin. Vitamin A, D, E, K are the fat-soluble vitamins. Vitamin C and vitamin B complex are the water-soluble vitamin. So let's discuss what is the fat-soluble vitamin and what is water-soluble vitamin. Fat-soluble vitamin can dissolve only in fat and oils, while water-soluble vitamin dissolve in water. Fat-soluble vitamins are absorbed along with fats in diet and it can be stored into the body fatty tissue, while the water-soluble vitamins cannot be stored in our body. The water-soluble vitamins must be taken daily because it's need to day-to-day life. The source of both categories of vitamins are the plant and animals. Vitamin A, D, E, K are the fat-soluble vitamin and vitamin C and vitamin B complex are the water-soluble vitamins. Now vitamin A. Vitamin A is the fat-soluble vitamin. The chemical name of vitamin A is retinol. The food sources of vitamin A are from animal sources and the plant sources. Animal sources, fish, liver and dairy products. Plant sources are orange, ripe yellow fruits, leafy vegetables, carrots, pumpkin, squash, spinach. Now we'll discuss about deficiency disease, night blindness. What is night blindness? Night blindness is the condition that makes difficulty to see in low light. Next is hyperkeratosis. Hyperkeratosis is a skin condition that occurs when a person's skin becomes thicker than the usual on a certain places. It is thick layer of a protein and it will be occurred in any part of your body. Keratomalacia. Keratomalacia is the eye condition in which the cornea gets cloudy and softened. We cannot see clearly. If keratomalacia is not treated, it causes low visibility or the temporarily or the permanently damage of the eye. Now, vitamin D. Vitamin D is a fat-soluble vitamin. Vitamin D is classified into two parts, that is vitamin D3 and vitamin D2. Chemical name of vitamin D3 is cholecalciferol. Chemical name of D2 is ergocalciferol. Animal sources are lichen, egg, liver, fish. Plant sources are mushroom, spinach. The deficiency disease is rictus and osteomalacia. Now, what is rictus and osteomalacia? Rictus and osteomalacia is the condition in adult in which bones become soft and deformed because they do not have enough calcium and phosphorus. It is usually caused by not having a proper or not having enough vitamin D in your diet, and other cause is not getting enough sunlight. And this condition occurred in child is called rictus, and when this condition is occurred in adult is called osteomalacia. Now vitamin E. Vitamin E is the fat-soluble vitamin. The chemical name of vitamin E is tocopherols. The food sources of vitamin E are fruit, vegetables, nuts, seeds and seeds oil. The deficiency diseases are hemolytic anemia. And now what is hemolytic anemia? Hemolytic anemia is the disorder in which red blood cells are destroyed faster than they can be made. When you have anemia, your blood cannot bring enough oxygen to your tissues or your organs, and without enough oxygen, your body can't work properly. Now, vitamin K. is the fat-soluble vitamin. The vitamin K is categorized in two categories, that is vitamin K1 and vitamin K2. Vitamin K1 is folliquinine and vitamin K2 is menaquinine. The food sources of vitamin K is leafy green vegetables such as spinach, egg yolks and livers. And when you have a deficiency of vitamin K in your body, it's bleeding too much inside your body and outside of your body. Now vitamin C. Vitamin C is the water-soluble vitamin. Chemical name of vitamin C is ascorbic acid. The food sources of vitamin C are fruits, vegetables and livers. The deficiency disease is scurvy. The symptoms of scurvy are bleeding sores, tooth loss, anemia and a reduced rate of healing of injuries. Vitamin B1. Chemical name of vitamin 1 is thiamine. The food sources is fruit, vegetables and livers. The deficiency disease are very and Varing-Korsakoff syndrome. What is very? There are the two different types of very disease. The wet very and dry very. Wet very disease affects the heart and the circulatory system of our body. Sometimes wet very can cause the heart failure. What is dry very? Dry very damage the nerve and decrease the muscles strength. And sometimes it's cause muscles paralysis. Vitamin B2. Vitamin B2 is the water-soluble vitamin. Chemical name of vitamin 2 is riboflavin. The food sources of vitamin B2 is dairy products, bananas, green beans, asparagus. The deficiency diseases are glossist, angular stomatist. What is glossist? The condition causes the tongue change their size, change in color and they develop a different appearance on the surface of your tongue. As you can see through the image here, the white surface appears on the tongue. What is angular stomatist? This is the skin condition that cause one or both corner of your mouth, especially in the sides of lips, become painful and inflamed. Vitamin B3. Vitamin B3 is a water-soluble vitamin. Chemical name of vitamin B3 is niacin. The food sources of vitamin B3 is dairy products, bananas, green beans, asparagus. The deficiency disease is pellagra. Pellagra is a disease that occurred inflammable skin, diarrhea and the sores in mouth. Affected skins may become darker as tips begin to peel or bleed. Vitamin B5. Vitamin B5 is a water-soluble vitamin. The chemical name of vitamin B5 is pantothenic acid. The food sources of vitamin B5 are meat, broccoli, avocados. Parathisia is the condition to feel burning in your hand, arm, leg or feet, but it may also occur in other parts of your body. Commonly affected parts are the hand, arms, leg and feet. Vitamin B6. Vitamin B6 is a water-soluble vitamin. Chemical name of vitamin B6, pyridoxine. The food sources of vitamin C is meat, vegetables, tree nuts and bananas. The deficiency diseases are anemia and peripheral neuropathy. Anemia is the condition in which blood has the lower than normal amount of red blood cells or hemoglobins. What's happened in your body when hemoglobin is low? Hemoglobin is the main protein in your red blood cells. It carried oxygen and delivered it to the all aerial part of your body, including tissues. If you have anemia, your hemoglobin level will be low, and if your hemoglobin will be low, the tissues cannot get enough oxygen that they require. If your tissues, if your body did not get the enough oxygen, or your body cannot work properly. Vitamin B7. Vitamin B7 is a water-soluble vitamin. Chemical name of vitamin B7 is biotin. Food sources are raw egg yolk, liver, peanuts, leafy green vegetables. The deficiency diseases are dermatitis, enteritis. Dermatitis results skin irritation. It is usually involves itching, dry skin, rashes, swollen, redness on skin. What is enteritis? Enteritis is the inflammation of small intestine, but in some time it shows inflammation in stomach and large intestine. Vitamin B9. Vitamin B9 is a water-soluble vitamin. Chemical name of vitamin B9 is folic acid. The food sources of vitamin B9 is leafy vegetables, pasta, bread, cereals, liver. The deficiency diseases are anemia and deficiency during pregnancy with birth defects. Vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 is the water-soluble vitamin. The chemical name of vitamin B12 is hydroxocobalamin. The food sources is meat, poultry, fish, egg and milk. The deficiency disease is anemia. This is short table of vitamin. You can pause the video and note down this table for revision purpose. Thank you for listening. Please share the video and subscribe the channel.